Hello, this is Dr. Shiva Ayyadurai, Real Solutions to Real Problems. I'm a big believer that artists and scientists actually are very similar. Being one of them, I know what that means. What that means is that artists and scientists are fundamentally problem solvers, and they're solving many times very complex problems. The musician or the visual artist expresses those problems through music and visual art, and the scientist expresses that through numbers and figures and discoveries. But fundamentally, they're problem solvers. I'm a big proponent, therefore, that arts education is very, very powerful to expanding one's thinking. And I think we really need to make sure things like arts education are supported at all different levels, because I believe it really enhances people's thinking and creative powers to actually solve problems. So again, I'm a big proponent of arts in education. Thank you.